You can find this recipe and many others at alifewelleaten.com. And you can follow us on these social media handles. So let's get started on making our actual deviled eggs. You're just simply going to split the egg and pop out the yolk. Now before we get started by adding any of our ingredients, we're simply just going to smash the egg yolks. The more you can smash them, the finer you can get the yolk, the smoother, more luxurious your filling is going to be. So really take the time to give these guys a good whacking. It almost looks like thick cornmeal at this moment, and that's really when we're just about ready to add all of our wet ingredients. Of course, that's mayonnaise, Dijon mustard. Now, if you add only Dijon mustard, what tends to happen is the next day or even a little bit later, it starts to be a little bit tart and a little bit bitter. So we're just gonna add just a little bit to get that pop of flavor and that little bit of astringency to make things really yummy. And then of course, to make it classic Americana, you've gotta have good old-fashioned yellow ballpark mustard. Some pickle relish, dash of Cayenne, paprika, and maybe our secret ingredient, cayenne. The beauty of adding just a little bit of cayenne is it gives it a little bit of heat, a little bit of something that most people won't quite be able to put their finger on. All right, now we're just gonna mix it up. Oh, one last thing, forgot the olive oil. Just a drizzle. Now this is where you can get fancy. You can use a spoon, you can use a pastry bag. I particularly just like to use the actual spatula. Start filling your eggs. All right, and our final step, just to dress things up, is a sprinkle of paprika. And there you have it, classic deviled eggs. Here's to good eating, good health, and a good life. A life well eaten.